Good morning, students. I am fine. I know the same with you all of you all. I hope you all are enjoying the classes, ma. Okay, yesterday we started the topic now. 10th class students, ma. Yesterday we started the topic now. What topic yesterday? It was very interesting yesterday for you all, na. I left you all in confusion yesterday. So today we will continue the class, okay? So the topic yesterday was the first unit A and B has been completed in your previous classes. Yesterday we started C. And here yesterday we were going in a very good topic, ma. I will just again recollect and we go back to topic, ma. Yesterday what I said, na, topic here was there was a boy. He was short, clever, very clever, short, bright, sharp and clever. He was very clever. Okay, and moreover he was son of a teacher, of a high school teacher. He was very good in maths and physics, ma. He was very good in maths and physics. Second thing is, after his thing, he wanted to join the IIT. And if he wanted to join the IIT, what must he do? In those days, compulsory, he has to write the entrance test. So, he and his friends all got together, sat under a stone mandap. They prepared themselves. But one thing was, in those days, there were no books or materials. Or anybody to give them some backup for them to get ready for the entrance exam. Without all these, they prepared themselves, they went to the place, they wrote the exam. When the results came out, all were happy. Whereas this short boy, this bright boy, this clever boy, he was the happiest. Why was he happiest? Because he passed with the highest marks. The moment he got the marks, what did he do? He went running to his father. And what did he say? He said, Anna. Is what he said? Anna means you said dad. I have passed the exam. He was so happy, he was so eager that he went running to his father and told his father, Anna, I have passed the exam. That time also, his father was also busy while reading the newspaper. So what was his father doing? His father was reading the newspaper. So at once his father was surprised because his father knows his son is clever. Yes, no? Every father, every parent will know about the children. They'll know about the children's plus and minus points. So he said. So today we continue. So the Anna, I have passed exam. Who told no? This young boy went and his father and told his father. Father replied, well done my boy. What he said? Well done my boy. I want to join the IIT. Here the answer goes in the boy. He said, no, dad, I want to join the IIT. What do you want to join, ma? IIT. Because he wanted to join the IIT and it was a long desire for him. He wanted to fulfill his desire. So what he did? He wrote the entrance exam. And he came out with better colors. But he came out with a good result. At once, here we come to see his father's poverty. Here we come to him. His father stopped reading the newspaper at once when he told his father, Dad, I have passed the examination with the highest results and now I want to join the IIT. His father was shocked. At once he stopped reading the paper. He looked at the boy and see what he says. His father stopped reading the newspaper. He lifted his head, looked at the boy and said, so his father was so shocked. No? He said, he stopped reading the newspaper. He looked at the boy and said, with a heavy voice, why? Because he was unable to fulfill his son's desire. What was his son's desire? To join the IIT. So, my son, he said without any hesitation, he told the fact to his son. Because so the son will realize, what his father is and what is the family is. Backings. You are a bright boy. He said, yes, I know, son. You are a very bright boy. You are a clever boy. You know, our financial position, the main thing is, see, son, you have passed the IIT entrance exam. You came out with the highest results. I know you will do it because I got the guarantee on my son. Our financial position, he said, financially, we are backward. We are poor financially. I have 5 daughters, I have 5 daughters to be married off. So, how many daughters he has to get married, ma? He said, I have 5 daughters to be married off, ma. So, 5 daughters he has to be married. Just imagine, what is the cost of 5 daughters to be married? He has a lot of burden, and he's okay. He's not from a rich family; he's from an average family, and 3 sons to educate. So he said, I have 5 daughters, 3 sons to educate. So how many? Totally 8 plus mother and father, 9, 10 plus his boy, 11. See, so it is not a small family, ma. It is a big family. Am I clear? So it is a big family. See, his father said, no. His father said, because his father couldn't afford. Father couldn't afford to pay the expenses of his son. Okay, joining and doing the IIT. He said, son, you know our financial matters. I have 5 daughters, 3 sons. 5 daughters to be married off, and 3 sons to be educated. I am a salaried person. So what is it? I am a salaried person. Your instance, salaried person is what? What na? We depend only on salaries. There's no other income. Totally our family depends on my one salary. So he is the only one person working for the family. His father. The boy's father is the only one person working for the family, and they depend only on his salary to run the house. I cannot afford your expenses at IIT. So his father said, without any hesitation, son, you know, I am a single paid man, a single salaried man. The full family is depending on me. I cannot afford your expenses at the IIT. You can stay in Mysore. He said, why to go to Bangalore? You stay in Mysore, stay here yourself, and study as much as you want. So he said, you stay at Bangalore, ma. I know you are clever. You don't have to go to Bangalore to study. You stay at Mysore only. Stay at Mysore and study as far as you want, as much as you want. I'll afford. But since you go to some other place, means the expenses are too high, which I cannot afford. Who says this verse? The father tells the son. Why? The father told the son the fact. He did not lie to his son. Neither did he stay back. He told his son the fact. Indeed, it was a difficult situation for any father to say no. Yes. What I know is, any father will not say no. Father, whether he has or doesn't have, he will try to do the best for his children. But here, the father had no other option. So he told his son directly, without any hesitation, son, see, I am only a single salaried man. I have 5 daughters, 3 sons. I have to run the house for a month. So you understand our financial issues. So here with anybody, if you are in that same place, what will you do? You will just obey your father's orders. Okay. Bright son. But circumstances were like that. It was common then for the man to be a single earnings member with a large family dependent on him. Yes. Yeah. It was very difficult, ma. Just imagine a father's how bad the father must be felt to make his son understand. He said, see son, I have such a big family, living on only one salary, and I cannot run the house. So understand me. You study as much as you want, but remain here only. Remain where? In Mysore itself. His father was sad. Yes, any father will say the same thing. Any father will be sad. See, today one day your parents are spending some thousands for your education. They do not want the money back from you. What they acquire and what they want from you is what you are to pass, to do your education with the best that you can do. Okay, they feel happy with your results. The moment they struggle, they slog, they do whatever they want for you for the full year, and you just go and tell them one word, Dad, I passed this. Just imagine your father or your mother, how happy they'll feel. That will be the happiest day for the full year which they have spent. For the money, the thousands of money which they have spent, or the lakhs which they have spent. Only one word, I passed, Dad or Mom. Just imagine how happy your parents will do. That's what a student can, a child or son or a daughter or son can do for the parents. His father was sad that he had to tell the bitter truth to his son. Yes, the bitter truth means the sad news. His father was sad. Why? Because his father had to tell his son. Yeah, his father had to make his son understand the position of the family. But it could not be helped. There was no other way, there was no other alternative which the father can help him. the boy had to understand reality. So here the boy had to understand the reality. What is the reality? Their poverty. What is the reality, ma? Their poverty. They okay. Since the boy has to understand that the family was poor, and what their position is, and how many members in the family are depending on his father. The boy has to understand. Boy has to understand the reality. So this is what the father, the sad father, told his son, told his clever son. I hope this will never come to my children, my students, and I hope that my students will give the parents the best, not in the way, not in money, rupees or dollars or anything. Only one word: I have passed with the highest result. This is what I require from my students, ma, and I hope you all will do it. So today I will stop the class video, ma. We will continue the class tomorrow, ma. And today your work, ma, test. Write about the author, ma. Write about the author 2 times. So Sudhamurthy, ma, this is very important topic, ma. You write about the author 2 times. This is Sudhamurthy. I will tell you all later. This will be, let it be a surprise for you all. Okay, let this be a surprise for you all. You all know who the young boy is and what did he become in future. What was he? Okay, ma. So by seeing him, I know my students, they will try to be better than what he is. They'll show the world what my students are and what my children are. Okay, ma? Bye. So let's keep a surprise to you all about the author. So your homework today is write 2 times, ma. Write neatly. First thing is what I want is write the date, the lesson name. Because these two, first of all, I will look at these two only when you post homeworks. The date and the lesson name. And write neatly. Okay, ma? Now you are no longer in the low sessions. You all are in the 10th class now. So maintain good handwriting. Bye students, take care. Be safe and secure, ma. Any doubts, contact me directly. Bye.